In Discovery, every page matters. Doc Review Pad is a fast, flexible, and intuitive tool giving you complete control over your document review process. Built for legal teams or solo practitioners, Doc Review Pad makes searching, reviewing, and producing documents fast, accurate, and easy. Add issue codes, apply Bates numbers, flag privileged content, and generate production-ready reports all in one place. Doc Review Pad gives you full control over your Bates numbering with customizable prefix, position, color, and more. This allows you to distinguish your Bates numbers from any other Bates numbers already on the documents. No more clunky desktop software. Just tap to annotate, redact, or highlight what matters, whether you're in the office or on the go. Move quickly through all your documents with intuitive swipe gestures. Tag key pages, apply issue codes, and track your review status in real time. Sometimes a typed note isn't enough. That's why Doc Review Pad gives you beautiful tools to write, sketch, circle, and underline, just like you would on paper. Need to find a document? Quickly search across your entire case file, including by document name, Bates number, and text within OCR documents. Tap a result to jump directly to the document or page you need. When it's time to produce, Doc Review Pad creates clean, organized, professional production sets and privilege logs through granular export options ready to share with opposing counsel or the court. Work efficiently, whether you're reviewing thousands of pages or just a few. Doc Review Pad is built for the way you work. Redact, search, bookmark, annotate, share, and produce. Every tool, every trial, one suite. Doc Review Pad is the most intuitive way to review documents.